This is Rhonda, love editor of Grand Manner Magazine, aka Mad Hatter Diva and her Wonderland. I am so excited. I'm back here again. Today is Monday. Happy Monday to all of you. I hope you had a wonderful day today. And if not, you're having the Monday blues, well, you're here shopping with us. And hopefully I can brighten up your day with all this beautiful yellow all around me. As you can see, I have a beautiful picket fence. It makes you feel like you're walking along. And I'm like, da, 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 a beautiful day. Right? You feel like it's going to be a beautiful day. That's what I feel like. I feel like this scene here blocks out everything. I don't want to. It's like my own little world. This is like Mad Hatter's world, you know? This is the kind of world like I want. Like it's bright, it's cheerful. Why not? We're just going to make it happen, right? This is it. Look at that. I have the flowers, and you see on top of me the lovely little trees and the leaves. So I hope this is a wonderful, make you feel good. This is a feel-good moment. So we're going to do another quickie shopping. I'm going to be spotlighting a few items. Now, just a reminder about what our shopping hotspots at Grand Manner Magazine. Now, Grand Manner Magazine is at www.grandmanner.com. Be sure to subscribe below so this way you'll know when I'm getting ready to do another video. And then also, too, what else I'm going to say? Oh, wait a minute. Uh-oh. I think I hear something. Oh, my goodness. I'm outside. This is like an outdoor thing. Sound like some hammering or something like that, right? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, look who it is. It's my plushy friend. Oh, yeah. Here is my plushy friend. I love my lemonade plushie. And we had this on the website, and I absolutely fell in love with it. So as you can see, I love the plushies because they're very squishy, so much fun. And look at this. It even has a little lemonade decal. I'm going to see if I can bring it up close so you can see it. There it is. And it says lemonade. Isn't that cute? Absolutely adorable. And if you look at the top here, where is it? It has like a lemonade. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm going to go over here. No, I don't know if that's going to work. Yes, you can. There it is. You see the lemonade? There it is at the very top of this plushie. Now, this plushie, we're going to be posting this on the website. So if you are, it's absolutely adorable. I love this. This is like so spring, so summer, and it's just makes you feel good. This is like a feel-good item, something you just squeeze. Or if you get mad or something, you can just get it out on this. Just give it a little, and really, you can tell what kind of day I had. Not a bad day, because if I had a really rough day, I would just literally just give it a good, sort of like that. Okay. Anywho, let us get back to the shopping. So, hello, okay, everybody. So we're gonna get back into the shopping, and we're gonna head right now to the website. Now we're going to be going to the shopping hotspot number 4, and at the shopping hotspot number 4, just to share that with you, how it works, we have name brand items, name brand stores all under one roof. So when you do go to our shopping hotspot, you will see, like, for example, you'll see Wayfair, or you'll see even Amazon. You'll see all kinds of different brands, different stores, or different networks, and they'll all be under one roof. Macy's, Nordstrom Rack. You'll see different stores there. So, and it's kind of nice because normally when you're shopping, you'll go to one website, then you'll go to another website, and then you're back and forth, and then I'm going to get this over here. Now you've got your credit card all over the place. You know what I mean? But it's here. And I guess what you could say, you'd still be doing it, you're still going to the website, but it's a faster way. I think that makes more sense. Like, you would go to Macy's, it'd be Macy's, but next door is like Nordstrom. So you would just put this item, then you would just click on that one, and sort of like that. So it's really a lot easier, a lot of fun, and I think you'll enjoy the shopping on our website. It makes it less work, I think. So, anywho, let me stop talking and let me get right into the website. Okay, so let's go. We're going to be visiting the recipe page. So here we go. You know what happens to me all the time, trying to pop in and pop out. So let me just do this. Okay. There we are. We are now on the website and we are on the recipe page. Now, right now we have on the recipe page a brand new recipe, prune, mozzarella, and basil skewers. This is from our friends over at California Prunes. And this is really a nice recipe to, to pair with your favorite beverage. It's really nice if you're having your family and friends for a weekend toast or just winding down after work. These prunes, mozzarella, and basil skewers make for a nutritious and delicious addition to your fun, or while you're watching a streaming movie or something like that. Just sort of a nice weekend, or just even after work. You know how like today, this would be a perfect snack to have, at home. And so we have this posted on the website. And I have to say, we have a video on there. I have to tell you, it's from our friends at culinary.net. And they do wonderful videos, how-to videos of different types of foods, and just absolutely delicious. So there you have a how-to video, and then we have on here where you can download and literally print the recipe. We have everything on this website, so it's really awesome. You gotta go check it out. And of course, download and print the recipe today. It is up there today. Now I'm going to cursor down, and here is our shopping hotspot number 4. Shopping hotspot number 4 is awesome. Look at this. I'm going to go all the way down. There we go. Now, as you can see, this is the bag on here. We don't just have kitchen things, but also kitchen and more. So we have like all kinds of cute items that you can add to your spring wardrobe, or you can add in your kitchen as well. So here, this reason why we picked this, because why not? It's the brand name. It's Donut. That's the name of the brand. It's called Donut, and they have some really awesome bags. This is a Limelight reflective pyramid backpack. It's absolutely gorgeous, and you know how most backpacks, they're really bulky, and I love this that is shaped like a pyramid, and it's sort of cutesy, very nice. Now the price here, again, this is like a fashionista bag. It's $90, but I think it's really all worth it in terms of the pockets. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Now Donut has another backpack like little bag here. This is the Dagger Sling. It is $53. They have the purple, they have the white. Absolutely gorgeous. And this is something that if you're heading to the grocery store, you don't want to take too much with you, this is the backpacks to get, to have. Now over here, this is $49.99. I have to ring the bell because that's a good price. This is a Donut macaroon tiny crossbody bag. I love it because it's just adorable. Look at those colors. It's so spring pink, and then you have the little light blue. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And then next to it, we have on here the Bella Donut Maker. I love donuts. They're so delicious. So much you can do with it. I will be getting the donut maker, and I will be making some donuts and sharing some donut recipes with you. So be on the lookout for that as well. Now this is $30.99. Fabulous price. Really worth it. I think it's something that you want to have. You can also make have a donut party, and have some friends over, family, or just with the kids. Just something to do on Friday after they watch some cartoons or something. You can, or Saturday, you can pull out the donut maker and make some donuts. How about that? That sounds like fun, right? Really awesome. Now look at this. Again, the Macaroon Tiny Ribbon Unicorn Dream Series. Notice it has the unicorn colors. The purple, the light blue, the pink. It's absolutely gorgeous. $60. It's really all worth it. I think it's definitely a fashionista bag. I love that it has the big pocket right there with the belt right there, snaps like right. It's not like it's a snap, but it's like a tie. It's like a belt, little miniature little tie there on your bag. So I really think that's really very nice. And now next to that, I just thought this was absolutely adorable. This is the Ladro My Sweet Love Baby Girl. Look at that, it's so cute and so adorable. And she's on top of the donut. Isn't that cute? I love it, love it, love it. But the price, it's $267. This is more like a conversational piece, something that you would be chatting with your friend, when they come by, you would tell them, talk about it. Or, it's something to put in your curio cabinet, something like that, So I think that's really, really cute. Now, this here is the donut cutter, stainless steel. Wait a minute, I got to get settled here. It's the Fox One Brands 4-inch donut cutter. So here, I love this. Let's just say you don't want to do the donut maker and you just want to put your donuts on like a baking sheet. This is really awesome. You want to get this. It's $4.49, but it's a must-have for your kitchen. It's really a great item, so you can really cut out your donuts and stuff. And you can still use the donut maker, cut it out and then put it in the donut maker, however you want to do it, or just put it on, or you could just cut it out and then just put it on a baking sheet, and you have your donut recipes. And we will be sharing a few donut recipes with you as well in the future, so be on the lookout on our recipe page because we got a lot of good recipes coming your way. Okay, and as you can see, hold up, oh my gosh, TikTok, I got to talk about this. I really have to talk about this. TikTok is so huge right now. Everybody's doing TikTok. And not just YouTube, but they're also doing TikTok. What I love about they've already come out with a book, a cookbook. Now, you guys know that Tasty has already come out with a cookbook. So I guess now TikTok has a cookbook. And this is the unofficial TikTok cookbook. It has 75 internet breaking recipes in it. The price of it is $17.99. So I guess it's some favorite recipes. And on TikTok, they don't really keep, it's not long videos. It's very short. So these are probably some awesome recipes for those of us that are on the go. You want something that's fast, that you can just make, and it tastes delicious. So this might be a good cookbook to invest, to kind of have and add to your cookbook collection. Again, it's $17.99. So I think that's kind of awesome. So I kind of like that. Now this here is the Go Wise 3.7 quart digital air fryer. Has 100, and also I think that it has 100 recipes. So that's kind of awesome. I think that's why we posted this, is because it came with this recipe book and it's 100 recipes. I mean, you cannot go wrong with that. 100 recipes. That's kind of nice. So it's priced for the cookbook and also the air fryer, $59.99. I think that's a good buy for what you're getting. Absolutely awesome. We also have, as you know, March Madness is happening, and a lot of us are looking for recipes for game day. So here it is, the Hungry Fans Game Day Cookbook by Diana Falk, and it is $22.95. That's a pretty darn good price. So that's something, a must-have that you probably want to have to add to your cookbook collection. So definitely check that out. Now we have some other cookbooks. As you can see, I love this stand here. I don't know why it's so cute. You can put your cookbooks right there, and then also put your recipe there, where I'm sure we see the pointer at. That's kind of awesome. Now this desktop book stand is $33.67, but I think it's really awesome. It's nice, kind of something nice to have in the kitchen. It's very decorative. Look at that decorative piece. It's really gorgeous. Very, very nice. I'm going to give it a bell, a ring on that. Like that, put a ring on it. So it's really very nice. So we're going to keep going. Now this one here, I'm going to talk about it and then I'm going to let you guys go so you can go to the recipe page. I don't want to keep you with me and then you miss out. I want you to get to the recipe page so you can see all of this. This is a pineapple cutting board with fruit and nuts. Now we posted this before on our recipe page and it's sold out. Sold out like fast. Really fast. And it's the pineapple cutting board. I love it. It is so creative. It's really great for any type of gathering, party, home, family home, even with the kids. It's just really very, very decorative and it's shaped like a pineapple. That's because usually the cutting boards, they're all the same, kind of the same kind of style. This here, it's totally different and you can put the nuts, see how they have the nuts in there, dried fruit, or you can just go for it, and put whatever you like, lunch meat, you can do whatever you want, put some boar's head, turkey, and some cheese, all that good stuff. So it's really very, very nice. I think it's nice. The price of it is $50, but I think it's really worth it. It's really worth the price. I don't wanna